Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In last week's video, I shared with you how I used Dollar Tree corner shelves and home decor signs to make this beautiful black pedestal table. This DIY turned out super cute, so in today's video, I share with you a new idea using those same corner shelves. Now let's get started. I'm starting off with 4 of the shelves. I used a strong adhesive and hot glue to glue 3 of the shelves together. Before adding my 4th shelf, I disassembled it by removing all 4 screws. Next, I removed the plastic from the center of my bottom piece. I thought that I could do this by hand, but I also ended up using a pair of pruning shears. I then hot glued a piece of ribbon to that same piece, and I'll explain why a little later on in the video. Next, I'm adding LED wire lights to this decorative mirror, also from Dollar Tree. You can purchase wire lights from Dollar Tree, but I've decided to use lights with an automatic timer that I picked up from my local Walmart. Walmart had a few options, but I opted for this 50 count that was around $6. To attach my wire lights to the back of the decorative mirror, I'm using generous amounts of hot glue. I made sure to add the hot glue only to the wires and not the bulbs. Once I made my way all the way around the mirror, I added the rest of the wire lights to the center. I left a few inches of the wire unattached. Once my wires were in place, I removed most of the hot glue strings by hand, but I also used my heat gun as well. Next, I placed my wire light battery pack inside of my 4th corner shelf. I then added my 4th shelf to my design. Next, I attached the decorative mirror to my corner shelves using a small screw that I already had at home. I ended up needing to reposition my screw, but once it was properly in place, I added the mirror. And if you're wondering why I didn't glue the mirror down, I don't want the mirror to be flush with the corner shelves. The lights will appear much brighter by hanging the decorative mirror from the nail instead. To add a touch of sparkle to my design, I'm adding Dollar Tree gemstone stickers. As you can see, I added the ribbon to my design so that I could easily lift the cover and replace my batteries as needed. Even without the screws, the cover has a tight fit, so I'm not concerned that the battery pack will fall out. Here, I'm testing my lights. Not only will they automatically turn on and off, but they also can be set to 8 different modes. I repeated those same steps to make 3 pieces in total. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors before hanging them with large Velcro command strips. And here's the finished look. I'm really happy with how this black and gold LED wall decor turned out. It was super easy, inexpensive to make, and I think it turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I only have 4 more corner shelves, and I'll share with you how I used my last 4 in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!